This is day 2 of trying to break 90 challenge. I'm here in Navy Golf Course.
Nice shot. Atong kakasa. Kick right. Nice catch.
Left to right. Second shot.
Patong birdie. Come on, yung bola tataban. Birdie!
Birdie mo.
Ay!
Thank you.
Wa.
Ayun, safe.
Bilis.
100 ilan to? 200? $70 yards.
Left, right. Now! Okay, pating
18 steps, so probably I'll do 70.
yung boogie. Boogie. Ay,
Stop it!
Ay, tama na, mabilis.
Pasok mo na! Ay ka naman.
Hi.
Si Rose pala nung caddy number mo.
Number ko, 101.
101. Magaling na caddy. Kunin nyo.
Wow.
Ganda Ken.
All in one mo na.
Feet.
All in one.
One time, baby.
Morning.
So 9 steps. Medyo uphill konti. So I'll add maybe another one. So palong 10.
Left to right.
Left to right.
Medium slow.
Ang ating ini-joy parang
Birdie mo, boy.
Ay! Hearts.
Good part. Thank you.
Yun.
200 yards before hazard. So 5-5.
Diretso lang. Behind.
Behind. Before the hazard, I'll go 140. Layup lang. Layup lang, oh. Using a 7 iron. Relax. No. Play smart daw. Around 110, paano 110? Pitching. Ay, kaliwa. Ay, kanan.
Balik. Ay, lakas. Walang buhangin. Stop. Nagla.
Kulang. Bumrik agad.
Bang!
Uy, sobrang lakas lang.
Sobrang lakas lang. Hole 14. 510 yards. Par 5. Ay, kaliwa ulit.
4. Okay lang, brother. Okay.
Punch out lang. Diyan lang, no? Kusa yung bola nila.
Yes. Down. Stop. Yes. Go.
Lang.
Yeah.
Patong. Ay.
Huwag mo. Go! Ay! Umupin.
Ay, bagal.
Alak ka, takbo eh.
Turuan mo ako. Let's go. Kakalimutan ko kung meron sa
Hole 15 for 42. Par 5.
Okay lang.
Second shot, 5 wood. Mga ilan yung tawid papunta dun?
180.
180.
Oo. Wag. Stop.
Around 1:30, third shot. Put it on the green.
Left. Target.
Okay. Using 7. Kasi top to him.
Right. Kumaliwa. Diretso kaliwa. Ay! Uphill yan.
Tinakot ko masyado, Rose eh.
Ay!
Para ko doon, di ba, na nakapasok?
Ah.
Yun na! Yan!
Ay, bigay mo.
Uy!
17, 180.
Safe lang, safe lang. Safe.
Using a 5 iron. 5 wood. 180?
Oh, playing 180.
Balik! Ay,
Cut.
sayang.
Di nag-cut.
Ganda ng impact tayo.
Oh! Stop! Ay, bigay mo!
Uy!
Hole 18. Last hole for the back 9, 380. But I need to lay this up first. 1-4.
Nice shot, Ken. Good shot, brother.
Ay!
250 yards, second shot. Using a 5 wood.
Linya ng pang.
Yun.
Ganda, Ken.
Huwag kang bumangker.
Ay!
Behind naman yan. Hindi ko alam eh.
Lahat tayo, isa na lang ano? One muli na lang lahat.
Second 9. Hole 1. 471.
Ganda, Ken. Beautiful. Huwag ka lang mabot sa bunker.
Par!
Sa pool, yung nagka-cart.
Ay,
Anan par!
Par!
Right! Look! Get!
Bakit mo? Yes!
Ay! Oy!
Meron pang one. Ganda na speed, brother.
Ay, yung ginto.
Ay! Isa pa. Ay, push. Push.
Ah,
Hole 2. 447. Par 4.
Nice.
Okay, good cut.
Good, good.
Behind.
ay, kanan. Par right! Par!
4!
Ay! Bakit tumama?
Okay.
Up.
Yun.
Go.
Yun, nagtiw.
Come on, Par.
Ayaw
Ay.
talaga. Ayaw talaga. Hole 3, 190.
190.
Shot.
Na.
All in one.
Go.
Kick right. Short, short. Put the bunker.
Par muna. One time.
Okay na yun, Ken?
Hole 4, 324.
Ganda, Ken. Buti nilang nag-turn.
Ay, dito ako with Luigi. So Luigi, question.
Yes,
Ano ba mga tips mo to break 90? Yun yung gusto kong mangyari.
Really focus on your short game. Parang when you go to... Nagre-range ka ba? Not so much.
Minsan.
Pero focus lang on your inside 100 yards.
Okay.
Or ba if that's too far, kahit 50 yards.
Okay.
Or kung magre-range ka, take time sa chipping yung around the greens.
Dito meron.
Chipping ka
sorry.
around the greens, spend. Ako kasi dun talaga ako na-realize bumabayaan ka.
Okay.
When I started to make mga one pitch, one putts na lang.
Okay.
Kasi
Easily, that's
you're
like
saving 2-3 strokes.
Yes,
Diba? Kasi
2-3 strokes. Yes.
Regardless if you hit it 300 yards pero 3 putts ka.
Correct.
Ganun din. So ma-on mo
true.
yung, di ba?
That's
Ma-on mo
true.
yung par 4, one in one. Tapos 3 putts. E di par pa rin. Di ba? So,
Good advice.
and yun, siguro goal mo every round if you play, lessen your 3 putts. Goal mo siguro 2-3
Yun muna.
2-3 putts per round.
Kanina so far, nagtutupat na ako.
Ayun, diba? So yun yung ano.
Thank you, thank you.
Dun yun talaga nakatulong sa akin, brother.
Bo!
Maganda yan.
Ala.
Ay, lakas.
Wala talaga, wala kang pipigilan dyan.
Come on. Yung marker.
Sabi ng bali.
Tap.
Ganda, Doy!
5, 1, 1,
Doy!
Nice shot. Ganda.
One time, baby.
One time, all in one. Yun.
Nag-fade, nag-cut sa dulo.
Ay, tumatalon.
Tugtog gumagano, no? Ay! Or!
Ay, par. Ala, par.
Ayaw talaga!
Ni, abot.
Ayaw talaga.
Ayaw
Generous.
Full 7, 327. Par 4.
Okay lang. Slightly scoopy lang.
But
Si Jong alis na to eh.
Kailan kayo?
Okay.
Yun, fade mo! Dang!
Ala, masyado naman. Kaliwang kaliwa. Right. Gawin mo.
Yun!
Oh,
Ayaw talaga.
Ayaw.
Ayaw talaga.
Ayaw ng bola mo.
Ayaw talaga ng bot. Full 8, 162.
Ay, behind lang lang.
Short! Ay, short! 4, 4!
Or and
Come on.
3 points.
Ayun.
Uy, kumaliwa ka talaga.
Ayaw na yung bola.
Par 5. 5-11.
Damn post out, baby!
Ganda!
Cut! Cut! Cut!
Cut mo, boy!
Right, right.
Cut mo pa! Okay lang yan? Okay. Parang over lang ng
Basag yung bola.
Clutch talaga.
Hindi.
Shot. Stay down. Down. Wag na. Kanan-kanan ka pa.
Left to right.
Apo. Akyat.
65.
Para triple tie kami. So to avoid paying 100 pesos.
Ah!
So day 2 finally done. Ching, see you later.